Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT, stock number E2583P. 27,000 miles on this Challenger. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, maximum steel metallic in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Challenger is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating with backup camera. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass display, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Challenger has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 305 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Challenger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.